What will win in a drag race between a totally standard AMG GTR and a Lamborghini Huracan Spider EVO? Or we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. You're watching Motor Vista. This Mercedes AMG GTR might look standard, but it's secretly tuned by pure tuning with an engine and gearbox map, new downpipes, and serious upgrades. So instead of the usual 585 horsepower and 700 nanometers of torque, it now pushes a monstrous 756 horsepower and 1120 nanometers. Power goes to the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox with launch control and at 1,550 kilograms. It's lighter and meaner, worth around 100,000 pounds with all those definitely not cheating tweaks. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo rear-wheel drive Spider counters with a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 producing 610 horsepower and 560 nanometers rear-wheel drive, as well with its razor-sharp 7-speed dual clutch, weighing 1,600 kilograms and valued at 170,000 pounds. On paper, the AMG's torque is brutal, but launches are tricky. Front-engine rear drive means big wheel spin, though its adjustable traction control might balance things out. The Huracan, with its mid-engine layout and weight over the rear axle, is made for brutal launches and has one of the best gearboxes in the game. Time for the sound check. The AMG V8 roars deep and aggressive, while the Lambo screams high but quickly throttles back, a strange quirk of Lamborghini rev limits. Tension builds, the crowd is ready, and we go racing. First launch smoke, chaos, and the Huracan jumps ahead, absolutely ace, while the AMG suffers from launch delay. Was it a false start? Replay shows ace, the Lambo driver, nailed it, while the AMG lagged behind. Second run, the AMG still struggles, traction spinning away valuable seconds. Third time's the charm, the AMG finally hooks up better, but Ace feels the pressure and mistimes his launch, showing how psychological these races can be. Now it's winner takes all as the tuned AMG claws back a narrow win, the Huracan fighting hard but edged out. But it's not over. We switch to rolling races. From 50 miles per hour in comfort mode, the AMG's torque slams it forward, nitrous-like acceleration leaving the Lambo questioning what's really under that bonnet. In manual mode, third gear pull gap city, the AMG GTR surges with brutal force, the Huracan simply unable to keep up. By now, suspicions fly. The Lambo owner confronts the AMG driver about mods, and sure enough, the truth is revealed. This standard AMG is running pure tuning power, a full 750 horsepower monster. Banter FLIs, but the racing continues. Brake test from 100 mph this time. The Lamborghini claws back pride, stopping shorter as the AMG's brakes show their limits. The grand finale is a last drag race, both drivers knowing this is for everything. Engines roar, revs climb, tension at max 3, 2, 1 launch. Side by side all the way down, the AMG inching ahead, the Huracan clawing back, and across the line it's so close that only slow motion replay can decide. Was it the brute force of German tuning or the raw theater of Italian engineering? That's for you to decide. Tell us in the comments which one took the crown, the tuned AMG GTR, the screaming Huracan Evo Spider, or do you think it was simply too close to call? Like the video, subscribe to Motor Vista, and stay tuned for more insane drag races and supercar battles.